Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You want a clean, reliable copy that fits your purpose. Start by defining the intent and audience so every word you copy serves that goal. Next, select the exact source material. Avoid partial highlights that change meaning. Once selected, paste into a plain text buffer or use a clipboard manager to remove hidden styles. This prevents odd fonts or line breaks. Make sure to keep original punctuation when meaning depends on it, and prepare a short edit list for the next step. Now refine the copied text for your platform and audience. Shorten long sentences and swap jargon for clear terms so readers don't stumble. At the same time, preserve essential terminology and facts to avoid shifting meaning. Use find and replace or templates to update names, dates, or values quickly. Placeholders speed repeat edits. Once done, scan transitions and connectors so the flow feels natural, and verify any numbers or claims against the original source to keep accuracy intact. Finish by pasting into the final destination and adjusting layout to match surrounding content. Change fonts, headings, or spacing as needed so it looks native. Make sure voice and tone are consistent and run a quick read aloud to catch awkward phrasing. Double-check links, names, and numbers. If something goes wrong, like weird line breaks or style carryover, paste as plain text or use paste special, then reapply formatting manually. This simple fallback fixes most clipboard headaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.